Hey, thanks for going to the website. This is Todd. I'm Todd McCart. Hey, I just like to send this out in the first email, thanking you first off and introducing myself because I'm going to be helping you through this journey of making $1,000 a day, sometimes $2,000 a day, sometimes only 500. But don't be upset because those 1,000 and 2,000 are very happy times. Every day when you get a $2,000 deal going or $1,000 deal or a $500 deal or a $200 deal, just be thankful, man, because this is probably the best system on the planet. I've been doing this for 10 years, six-figure earner every year for the last 10 years. And I'm nobody special. I'm your average guy. Average guy. I retired when I was 51, and I enjoy my time here. I live in the mountains of Tennessee. I enjoy my time. I mean, it's freedom, man. I mean, it's not. I don't have to get up to an alarm clock, man. I can't stand that. I couldn't stand it. I did it for 30 freaking years, getting up to an alarm clock, man. If I'd known what I know now, when I got out of high school, I'd have done this from the get. Only thing was, it's not available. It is now. It is now. So you have in your hands the opportunity to earn $200 a day, $500 a day, $1,000 a day, or $2,000 a day, sometimes more. There's been $4,000 days. Okay, and it's really simple. This system has everything you need in it, and it's all done on automation, and you really don't even need to talk to anybody. The actual system closes the sales for you. And I am a traffic generation guy. Um, I made my first $100,000 generating leads. And once you have that down, and I can help you with that, uh, you have total control of how much money you want rolling in. You wake up one morning, you want to make 10,000. Let's do it. Okay, that's how simple this really is. And don't make it hard, because it's not hard. You know, and, a lot of people get in this mode. Well, I can't do that. Really? Yes, you can. Look at me. I can do it. I'm right here in my little humble abode here. Uh, so I just want to thank you for subscribing. Watch for the other emails coming down the road. I have two systems that I use. This system is the daily income moneymaker. Actually, we just made some money. uh, and you'll get that too. You got to give yourself about a week to get all settled in, knowing how to do things, because we have some Craigslist software in this system that. And did you know? Listen to this one. Did you know that Craigslist has more visitors than Netflix a day? Absolutely. So people overlook Craigslist because I think Craigslist has like a negative connotation out there, but that's one of my secrets is I use Craigslist and you can use it too. And actually use it and you can share it and earn $500 for giving that software to other people. Pretty simple stuff. Anyway, all right, cool. Again, my name's Todd McCart. Thanks a lot. And watch for my other email. And if you want to give me a call, phone number's on my website. And I'm sure you saw it in the 7-minute video website with Tammy. Tammy is the one that put this whole system together. She's million dollar earner. So good to learn from her, and you'll have access to her and I, and we're ready to rock and roll. Get yourself together, get rolling. If you got to start out at the $200, you got to start out at the $500, you start out 1,000 or 2,000. I recommend you start out at 2,000 because then this way you never miss a $2,000 sale. Okay, those are good. You don't want to miss those. Anyway, all right, cool. So I'll see you when we talk. You can give me a call or shoot me an email. I'll put my Facebook down. You can hit me up on Facebook, direct message or whatever. I'm not real good at the social media stuff, but I am good at making money. All right, so let's get this thing going. Go to the go back and get yourself all hooked up and ready to roll. and website's in the description. All right. I'll see you again. Thanks.